Good afternoon, friend. I'm going to show you today fundamental analysis of Tide Water Oil Company Limited. This is India's top engine oil provider, who is basically this engine oil is used in all two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and commercial vehicles. You can see on the screen. This is the company's website, where you can see that this is the regional office of the company. Registered office Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay, and you can read about the company, what the company is doing here. So Tide Water has been leading player in the Indian lubricant industries, manufacture market of Vidol brand of lubricant with pan-India distribution network, and you can read all detail about the company here. Okay, similarly you can see all the different information in the site, like what kind of information company is doing, policy, quality policy, association like Vidol International, Vidol. So international, the Vidol UK site, very good company, sir. Okay, so let's see some fundamental of the company. So you can see on the screen the 5-year chart of the company. Company name is Tide Water Oil. So let's check the delivery of the material companies. So 100% delivery. You can see every time people are buying and holding, never selling. Some trading happening in BSE side, might be, yes. And you can see the update, company's update here. What are the latest update? What are the latest announcement? Company split their share from 10 maybe face value to 2 face value. Yes, and yeah, you can see bonus they have given. Maybe you can see, yeah. So some bonus has been given. Company split maybe their face value is split 5 to 2. And also you can see about the company's indicator. You can see it's oversold now. Worry about the companies, like right company trailing at 21p and price to book value is 4.09, dividend yield 1.35, also fine. As you can see right now the market, the price is 1815 and market cap 3000 crore, EPS is 84, price to earning 20 UNP, industry fee 40. Okay, price to book value is 436. Okay, and then dividend yield you can say 1.35, number says 1.74 crore. Now you can see the overall consolidated result of the company, quarterly result. So it is down last quarter because of COVID-19, but if you compare year on year, it is very good. Okay, now you can check the EBITDA. Company's EBITDA is also fine. If you compare year on year, that is fine, but last 3 quarters it is down. Other income is also maintained by the company. Interest very low, very good sign for the company. You can say profit before tax also very good. Company is managing very good profit before tax. Net profit, company is also growing their net profit here. Okay. Now, as you know that they split their share, now you can see the EPS is showing only 5.39. Earlier when it was not split, the earlier was showing high. Now you can see the standalone result. As you can see all this same information. Interest very low. Now EPS is showing down 2.88. Okay. Now check the ratio. 16.11 is the return on equity. Return on capital 21.24. Return on assets 7.34. Now check the efficiency ratio. Book value per share they have increased. Okay, now it is 2001. Working capital improved. Earlier it was 60 days, now it is 35 days. Very good sign, sir. Okay, now you can see the consolidated. Now check balance sheet. Balance sheet of the company you can see here. Recently they have increased their equity capital in 2017. Okay, reserve also growing every year for the company. Current liability is 747, but non-current liabilities is 53. Non-current asset 355, and current asset 1126. Very good sign, sir. If you click on the current asset, you will see how many cash, 204 crore cash. Very good sign, sir. Inventory 200 crore, Sunday debtor 151. Very good sign. Okay. Now you can check profit and loss, very good managed by the company. Cash flow, company maintain very good cash. You can see now Promoter holding. Promoter is holding intact 57.28, not losing single stock. Now you can see the public. Public is holding by FII, FPI, DI also holding intact, reduced something in the last quarter. Non-institution also improved their restrict, very good sign. You can check who are the promoter group. Standard Greece, Andre Liu. Also this is the public shareholding. United Insurance Company, Life Insurance is also holding the stock 4.22. So public holding. The Maxwell Mutual Fund also holding Sundaram Value Fund. Okay, and you can see the fundamental. Yeah, there's a return on equity, high return on equity, improved return on equity, increased quarter-on-quarter sales, consistent paying dividend. Very good. You can see all the insider advertising. Okay. Hope this video helped you to take decision for this company. Always like and comment. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.